today we're doing something really fun. We got this really cool package from our friends at Up and Away Adventures, and instead of me doing a review on this is actually a travel-based subscription kit that you can get for your kids. So I thought, let me hand this over to my 10 and 11-year-old and give you guys you know, a review. So I'm gonna have them do that, and then stay tuned at the end of the video because I'm gonna talk to you about from a travel agency owner perspective, and especially because we have a lot of travel industry people that follow us, how I would totally use this kit in my agency and how we're planning to use it in the agency. So stay tuned for that at the end, and let's just share with you what the boys thought of it.
Oh, so bored. Nothing to do in quarantine. Wait, what was that? I think that's the doorbell.
Oh my gosh, look what came.
No, look. And Cyndi, look at it.
What is it, Dallas?
It's the box. It's a box.
It's an Up and Away box. Should we check it out and see what's inside of it?
Hi guys, so today we are going to be opening the Up and Away Adventure box.
And they send one from a different country every single month.
So let's see what's inside. You ready to see what's inside? What country it's from, Corey?
Yeah.
Okay. So, hey, it kind of smells like something.
It smells like oranges.
Hey, isn't that a Spain known for oranges? Oh, look at cool. We get the Spain flag. It comes with a crown, and it even has, and it's even really nice. Here you go, Corin. You can look at it. We get some popcorn.
Wow, that's really cool.
Here you go, Corin. Welcome to Spain.
Make sure to get your passport stamped.
Hey, this must be the passport.
Yeah.
That must be the stamp. And I think you take the stamp off and you put it right here.
That's how you can show that you've been to Spain, because your passport's been stamped.
Oh, I get it. Every box you get, you add the stamp right here. That's pretty cool.
We're gonna fill up that passport.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get 4.
Oh, it says here that we can go online to go to a special website on Spain.
Oh, cool. With love from Spain. Up in your way adventures. Oh, cool. It's a splat ball. Look, it's like a tomato. It reminds me of those tomatoes that you stick like pins and needles in. Whoa, that's cool, Corn. There you go. Whoa, look at Corn. Some candy.
Oh, wow.
Look at it.
That's cool.
There you go, Corn.
Make sure to sneak some.
And some M&M's too.
Wow, sneak some again.
Look at
Wow.
gift card stamp. Oh, look at! I bet these are recipes. And Cyndi, can we make this for dinner? Look at it. Little word search.
That's cool. It's a Spain word search.
Oh, cool.
Let's see. We have Pacaso. Please tell me if I'm pronouncing this wrong. Wait. Oh, it has what it actually is on the other side. Bowls, oranges, pottery.
Oh, look at it. And then we get little sticker stamps.
So can I see?
Wow. And look at it. Yellow rice.
There's some.
I wonder what this means. Oh, look, coasters.
Wait, I think they're Spanish tiles.
These are cool, man. Cyndi would like these. And then we got little cards. It looks like a game. Memory card game.
Look, there's a really cool map inside.
Yep, there's a really cool map inside too.
So now we want to talk about our overall review of the kit.
So I honestly think it's pretty cool. I like that it's like a suitcase kind of. And they give you like little stickers on it, like this. Like London, Australia, Paris.
What I liked most was the tile thingy. I like that candy thing, and the flag was really cool too. It was really fun to learn about Spain and all those countries.
Yeah, I did like it. It was pretty cool. Especially right now because of coronavirus. It gives us something to look forward to every month.
Virtually, we're having to do virtual school right now. It's fun to get something like this. But most else?
Probably the candy and the splat ball tomato. What do you like the most, Corin?
The flag, that candy, and the art thing was cool.
And the tiles, yeah, those are pretty cool. What activity are you looking forward to do the most, Corin?
I want to do the art thing.
Yeah, that sounds pretty fun.
What activity are you looking forward to?
Probably the tiles, too. I like the tiles. They're pretty cool.
And making those recipes so we can learn about Spanish food.
It doesn't like dinner.
I would rate it a solid 5. It's just really cool. Like, I
Yeah, I guess I'll give it a 5 too. It was pretty cool. And me and my aunt go to different countries a lot because we own a travel agency, so it's pretty cool to get something if we were to go to Spain from Spain. So it'll be pretty cool if we get something from Spain. And we're going to Spain so we can learn a little more about Spain.
It would be really cool to get this as a gift to learn about it before you go on your trip. Hey guys, hope you guys enjoyed this this unboxing video, and I really recommend this. You should check it out for yourself. If you send us more boxes, maybe we can share more in the future.
Yeah, that'll be really cool. And make sure to click the link below to get some for yourself.
Don't forget
to like and subscribe.
I'd like to thank Up and Away Adventures for sending us this box. It's really cool.
Up and Away Adventures sends us more boxes because these are really fun to open up.
All right, so welcome back. Did you guys like that review? Isn't it cute how kids absorb stuff? Totally fighting over like some of the things in the kit, which I love. But I wanted to go through and talk about a couple of the things that the boys maybe missed and why I think this is so fun. First of all, as a former like homeschooling mom and dad, right? This would be amazing, especially during COVID right now. But as a travel entrepreneur, I think this is so cool. So they have this really cool map inside that walks through the different areas of Spain and talks about, you know, the oranges, it talks about the running of the bulls and some really cool things, and the tile and everything kind of associates where in the kit. So this would be fun as an interactive, I think, box with your kids. Of course, they can go through it themselves, but just so fun. And one of the things I'm totally stealing out of the kit are these recipes, because I mean, we have gazpacho in here, we have paella, we have churros. Come on, you guys. So this is one of the things we've actually been doing in quarantine, is we've been having like travel themed nights, because I mean, travel's in our blood and it's killing me not to travel as much as we normally do. So we've been doing travel themed nights anyway. So I'm gonna totally steal these recipes. This is the part that's going in the mom thing, and we're gonna have a Spain night, and every time the box comes, what we're thinking about doing is just having like a dinner, and then the boys can get involved, my daughter can get involved. So I think that that's really cool. The other thing that I love about this kit, and I think is so fun, I mean, look at this little passport, but it's so fun, is if I am sending, oh my gosh, it still smells like oranges. You guys, we've had this for like a week and it still smells so good. I wish we had smell-o-vision. But the other thing that I think is really fun, if I'm sending a family to Spain and they're booking a vacation to Spain, how amazing would it be to send this kit as my gift to them? So, Up and Away actually has the option to buy kits by themselves. So for you travel entrepreneurs, definitely check that out. It's not just subscription based. I think that this would be an amazing subscription anyway, especially maybe for your kids or for anyone that's a homeschooler. Ours are going to virtual public school this year, but they are loving this. And so they're really excited. Corn's already hung a flag in his room. Dallas drove us crazy with the splat tomato ball, but that was super fun. They need to run off that energy, right? So would I recommend this to you guys? 1000%. I think this is the coolest thing since sliced bread, and as a travel agency owner, I'm gonna share it with everybody. I'm actually gonna put our link below so you guys can grab a kit, check it out, or sign up so your kids can do it. And whether you are having a travel themed night from home, or you are going to share it for your kids that are homeschooling, or you're gonna buy a box for your clients that just book Spain through you, I think this is really just fun and innovative, and kudos to Up and Away for bringing this. I'm so excited to get the next box and see all the journeys we'll be able to take virtually as we go here, and I'm excited. So let me know what you guys think about it in comments, and I'll pop our link below. Thanks for watching today, and as always, I wish you so much love, so much abundance. I wish you guys the world. Bye, guys. Hey guys, Cyndi Williams here. If you like that last video, make sure you check out my other content to help you grow and scale your very own travel business. And also, I invite you to travel around the world with me and find out what I'm doing in my portable, profitable, award-winning travel business. Check out the videos.